So let's just talk big picture here. In the trump suit techniques, we have all of the techniques that we do in no trump, right? So what we have on the screen can be played in either no trump contracts or suit contracts. High card means just take your high cards and go. Promotion means, oh, let's force out a higher honor and thereby promoting the lower honors. Finessing, well, that's being in the right hand at the right time, okay? Being in the dummy in the spades in example number 3 and leading up towards the ace, queen, 10, 9. In our finesse class, we talked about when we have 2 finesses to take, always take to the lower finesse, just as a quick review. And then in the heart suit on the right, we've got long suit development. So these 4 techniques we can use both places. In the trump suit, we have 2 additional techniques, right? Discarding and trumping. We had a whole class on that. And that's in addition to these types of techniques. Now, all of these techniques that we have on the screen can be used in the trump suit, right? We're talking about in class today, the trump suit. So within your trump suit, you can have any one of these techniques. Our general rule is that we want to pull trump. As soon as we gain the lead from the defender, we want to pull trump. So let's start with that premise. And then there's going to be 2 exceptions to pulling trump. And that's what today's class is all about.